After watching this video you will be able to understand top fish tank filters. Clean and safe water is essential, especially for the fish that reside in them. For fish that are living inside an aquarium, it is vital to provide them with fish tank filters that offer superior filtration performance. It is so they can thrive and live longer, even in an artificial abode. Before having more information about top fish tank filters, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Top 10 fish tank filters. Number 1. PenPlax Cascade Canister Filter. This filtration system can work for both saltwater and freshwater fish tanks, providing a wide array of functions. It is the reason why many fish owners are going after it. Penplax Cascade Canister Filter is applicable for different aquarium types, with a size that is ranging from 10 to 200 gallons. Number 2. Marineland Magnaflow Canister Filter. If you are opting for a watertight fish tank filter, Marineland Magnaflow Canister Filter is ideal for you. It comes with a canister lid design that reduces the overall weight of the tank through its lightweight seal. Number 3. Fluval All-New Performance Canister Filter. Another leading fish tank filter is Fluval All-New Performance Canister Filter. This filtration system boasts a superior filtering performance that is ideal for all types and sizes of aquariums. It also works for both saltwater and freshwater tanks. Number 5. Eheim Classic External Canister Filter. Eheim Classic External Canister Filter is a product that is equipped with a permo-elastic silicone sealing ring. Number 6. AquaClear Power 110 volts Filter. Among the most popular fish tank filters is AquaClear Power 110 volts filter. It is manufactured by a reliable company that most pet owners trust. This filtration system claims to be a versatile filter system, offering 7 times larger filtration volume compared to other fish tank filters. It is also easy to install, and its refiltration system provides superior contact time with filtration media. Number 7. PenPlax Aquarium Cascade Canister Filter. For fish owners who are looking to get a heavy-duty fish tank filter, Penplax Aquarium Cascade Canister Filter is your best choice. It is made of high-quality and durable components, allowing it to provide long-lasting water filtration. Number 8. Fluval Canister Filter. Fluval Canister Filter is designed to start automatically when the canister is filled with water. Number 9. Sunsun Pro Canister Filter Kit. Sunsun Pro Canister Filter Kit is another canister-type filtration system that provides wide-ranging benefits for fish owners. It is ideal for large-sized aquariums and has a design that works with different aquarium sizes up to 150 gallons. Number 10. Eheim Classic Fish Tank Filter. Most fish owner desires for a fish tank filter with improved performance, better technology, and high-level efficiency level. Eheim Classic Filter offers all of these characteristics in one product that utilizes a one-chamber design. Top fish tank filters. Conclusion. To conclude, fish tank filters play a vital role in keeping your fish alive inside an aquarium. First, it helps to remove debris that may harm your fish and prevent ammonia from filling the tank. Fish tank filters generally keep the water inside your fish aquarium clear, clean, and safe for your pets. Second, it keeps the water healthy to support the healthy growth of your fish. For more information about top fish tank filters, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.